Pfizer has in their bacterial DNA sequences that were never disclosed. We don't have evidence of that for Moderna. And these sequences are very concerning. One of them is known as what we call an Sv40 enhancer. This comes from a virus that's called the simian virus 40. That has been, it's thought to be a carcinogenic virus, which means a virus that can promote cancers. There isn't any direct proof at the moment that the Sv40 enhancer on its own can directly do it, but what it does is it helps get this bacterial DNA into what we call the nucleus of the cell where our chromosomes are. And now this is important. So and then there's the risk of integration. But even if it doesn't become part of our chromosomes, plasmid DNA is a very robust molecule and very long lasting. So what this means, Laura Lynn, is it can stay in cells for a very long period of time. One of the now this is interesting because, like I said, if a cell has this bacterial plasmid DNA that encodes for the spike protein, those cells are going to manufacture that spike protein, right? Then when the person mounts an immune response, either because they've been naturally infected and recovered or because they got one of these shots, the cells that are showing that spike protein are going to be eliminated, except in places where the immune system can't access the cells. So for example, in the central nervous system, in the testes, in the ovaries, those kind of places, we could get long-term expression of this spike protein, which could do all kinds of different things, and they're not going to be eliminated from the body. And worse, there's all these other genetic components in that plasmid that could potentially be integrated and do things. And depending on where they integrate, this could promote the development of cancers. There's no question about that. And so it's very concerning because this is long lasting. It's another mechanism whereby somebody could basically, for a very long period of time and perhaps permanently, have their genetic makeup altered. It's something that wasn't supposed to happen. We were told it would never happen. But this is the thing.